How to enable or disable notifications on app icons on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and tap on notifications. Now in here, tap on advanced settings. Then we scroll down and tap on app icon badges. Tap on the left hand side. Then here, tap on the toggle button on notifications on app icons. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. Now once it is turned on, if you have notifications, you can touch and hold on it and it will show the notifications. Okay, so here, if you touch and hold, you can see it shows notifications with the details. If I switch it off, then it will not show the notifications in the pop-up. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.